Today I want to talk to you about a new topic so called conic sections. Actually, the conic section or the conic is nothing but it is a section cut by a plane in the different positions. That is, if a double cone, you must have heard about the single cone and double cone. That is, if a right angled triangle is rotated about its hypotenuse, then a double cone is formed. So, when a double cone is cut by a plane in the different positions, then whatsoever section formed is known as the conic section. So, very ordinary definition of the conic section. And which sections can be obtained by cutting a double cone by a plane? There are 5 sections can be formed. One of the sections named as pair of straight lines, another is circles, next it may form the parabola, then the fourth one it may ellipse, and final it may hyperbola. So my purpose is to introduce you the conic section. It is a section when a double cone, this is the double cone, this point is A, this point is B, this is C, and this is D, and this is its axis. That is, this is the hypotenuse, this is the hypotenuse, and a double cone is formed like this. Suppose you have two ice cream cones, you have joined their tips, so such shape, that is double cone, will form. When this double cone is made to cut by a plane, suppose this is any plane. When a double cone is cut by a plane, then we can obtain different shapes by cutting this cone with different positions. One of the section can be pair of straight lines. I am writing ST, that means straight lines. Second, if we are cutting like this from its center passing through this, then the pair of straight line will form. And if double cone is cut in such a way that it is perpendicular to this axis of generation, this is the axis, then we will get the circles. We may get the circles. As we become closer to this O, radii of the circles will decrease. Third, when we will cut a little bit twisted, then we will find the shape will be parabola. And fourth one, it can be ellipse, and finally it can be the hyperbola. So my question to you is, what is a conic section? When a double cone is cut by a plane in different situations, in different positions, then these 5 things can be obtained. One of the shape can be the pair of straight lines, maybe a circle, section may be a parabola, section may be the ellipse, or section may be the hyperbola. This is very ordinary definition and explanation of the unit conic section, but its analytical definition is, if a point moves in a plane in such a way that it maintains the equal ratio of the distance from fixed point to the fixed line, then that shape, curve, path, locus of the point is known as the conic section.